Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Journey to God YouTube channel. I wish you a blessed day. Welcome to another daily devotional. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to ring the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today is April 7th, and today's devotional topic is the Inhabitants of Jabesh Gilead. Judges Chapter 21 verse 8 says, "And they said, What one is there from the tribe of Israel who did not come up to Mizpah to the Lord? And, in fact, no one had come to the camp from Jabesh Gilead to the assembly. Because of the sin committed by some men from a city of Benjamin, the tribe was almost exterminated." That is another negative aspect of sin. It can be personal. At times, it may touch what is intimate, but you never know how the ripple effect will be and how many people it will reach. Think of any sin. Take lying, for example. One person tells a lie. Maybe the lie goes to one other person. Only this lie will be passed by that person to another person. That is how the well-known snowball effect begins. At this point in history, the people of Israel are worried, since, because of an internal war, they almost exterminated one of the tribes. I do not know what would be the best solution, but sometimes we act decisively but without thinking. We exterminate reputations. We kill illusions. We annihilate good names for a particular, specific situation, even though it's probably wrong. Only later, when faced with the consequences of our actions, do we realize that how damaging it was. For some reason, the men of Jabesh Gilead did not present themselves to fight against the tribe of Benjamin when the time came for convening all the people, motivated by the body part that the Levite had sent every tribe. The promise made at the time was that anyone who did not present themselves would die. Now it was time to fulfill that part of the oath, another killing amongst brothers. Spiritually, we often behave the same way. We attack our fellow church members just by the sinful inclination of doing an evil act. The first effect of human sin was the immediate change of the world in which Adam and Eve have lived. From that time on, the transformations kept happening, like a long chain reaction from an initial cause. That chain passed through the tribe of Benjamin, by Jabesh Gilead, and through your life. Remember, the solution for sin is not more sin. It is not another sin. It is not a ritual or music or a sermon. The only solution is Jesus Christ. Thank you for tuning into another daily devotional video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And if you have any questions or feedback, post them in the comments section where I'll be reading all of them. Thank you and have a blessed day.